Hi everyone! Now it's workbook time. So this video will serve as your guide in answering your workbook. Make sure that you have reviewed your previous lesson before trying to answer your workbook. Let's see what we need to answer this time. So we are now doing page 6. This is letter F, and the instruction says you have to fill in the blanks correctly. Let me give you a few examples before answering on your own. So you have to fill in the missing number to complete the expanded form of the first number that is given. For number 1, 35 equals blank plus 5. Find the answer for number 2. Also for number 3. And then you can continue with number 4, number 5, and then number 6. Now I'll give you some time to think of your answer. If you are finished, we can see the correct answers now. So again, for letter F, you have to fill in the blanks correctly. This one is a review of our lesson about expanded form of numbers. So for number 1, 35 equals, the missing number is 30, and then you have plus 5. For number 2, 87 equals 80 plus 7. For number 3, you have 236 equals which number? The answer should be 200. So 236 equals 200 plus 30 plus 6. Let's see the answer for number 4. You have 670 equals 600 plus, the answer is 70 and then plus 0. For number 5, 815 equals 800 plus 10 plus 5. And for number 6, 954 equals, so 900 plus 50 plus 4. Now let's try to see what should come next. We have for letter G, you have to write each number in expanded form. You have 16 equals, try to remember how we write numbers in expanded form. Find the answer for number 1, and then think of the answer for number 2, for number 3, for number 4, and then for number 5. If you are ready, we can now see the correct answers. So again, we are doing letter G, where you have to write each number in expanded form. Remember that when you write numbers in expanded form, it means you have to use the digit value of the number. So let's see the answer for number 1. Number 1, 16 equals 10 plus 6. The digit value of the number 1 is 10, and the digit value of number 6 is 6. Number 2, 73 equals 70 plus 3. For number 3, 108 equals 100 plus 0 plus 8. 1, its digit value is 100. 0 is also 0. And 8 is also 8. Number 4, 612 equals 600 plus 10 plus 2. 6, the digit value is 600. 1, its digit value is 10. And then you have 2, its digit value is also 2. And for the last number, 849 equals 800 plus 40 plus 9. Now, how many correct answers were you able to get? Are you ready to go to the next part? This is now for letter H. So I will give you some examples before you answer letter H. Here you have to state the number that is given in expanded form. For example number 1, 30 plus 8 equals what number? Think of the answer for number 2. Also for number 3. And then for the last number, number 4, try to think of your answer. If you are finished, we can now check if your answers are right. So for letter H, we have to state the number that is given in the expanded form. For number 1, 30 plus 8 equals 38. For number 2, 400 plus 10 plus 5 equals 415. Number 3, 900 plus 40 plus 2 equals 942. And for number 4, 500 plus 70 plus 6 equals 576. Let's go to the next part. This is now for page 7. Let's try to answer letter I. Let me give you a few examples. Here you have to circle the correct sign or symbol. Remember, we have learned the symbols for comparing numbers. We were able to study 4 symbols. So here, it's just the sign or the symbol that tells you the numbers are equal or unequal. So think of the answer for number 1. Is 108 equal or unequal to 100 plus 10 plus 8? Try to think of your answer. Do the same for number 2. Compare the numbers. For number 3. And then for number 4. Again, choose from the symbol or the sign equal or unequal to. If you are ready, we can now see the correct answers. So for letter I, the correct answer for these examples are, for number 1, unequal to. Remember that you are given the expanded form of a certain number, so try to think of the number for this. 100 plus 10 plus 8 will be equal to 118. If this is 118, then it means the number is not equal to 108. For number 2, 426, is it equal or unequal to 400 plus 20 plus 6? Let's try to solve for this expanded form. 400 plus 20 plus 6 is also equal to 426. So the sign is equal. For number 3, compare 713 and 700 plus 10 plus 3. 700 plus 10 plus 3 equals 713. So the symbol should be equal. And for number 4, we are comparing 945 and 900 plus 14 plus 5. This number will give you 919. That means these two numbers are unequal. If you are ready, you can now see the next part of this practice. So we are now doing letter J. For this part, you have to color the smallest number and circle the greatest number. So you have 2 things for letter J. Color the smallest number and circle the greatest number. Let me give you a few examples. So for number 1, we have 403, 98, and 343. Remember, you have to do 2 things. First, Find the smallest number and color it, and then find the greatest number and circle it. And then you can go to number 2 and also answer number 3. If you are now ready, we can see the correct answers. So for number 1, the smallest number is 98. And the greatest number is 403. For number 2, the smallest number is 170. And the greatest number is 701. And for our last example, the smallest number is 806. And the greatest number is 861. I hope that you found this part of the practice easy. Now let's go to the last part of our practice. This is for letter K, and you have to fill in each blank with the symbols less than or greater than. Again, this is about comparing numbers. So for number 1, compare 86 and 92. Is 86 greater than or less than 92? Find the answer for number 2, for number 3, and for number 4. And if you are finished, we can now see if your answers are correct. So again, for the last part of our practice, workbook practice, letter K, fill in the blanks with the symbols less than or greater than. For number 1, the answer is less than. 86 is less than 92. For number 2, the answer is greater than. 371 is more than or greater than 307. For number 3, the correct answer is, again, more than or greater than. 198 is more than or greater than 189. And for number 4, the correct answer is less than. 645 is less than or smaller than 657. So this is the end of our workbook practice. I hope to see you next time. And I also hope that you will keep on practicing at home whenever you have the time. Stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Take care, have a good day, and bye!